Okay, so what you're gonna do is go to google.com, type in DNP ds620a driver. You'll click on right here where it says ds620 driver, and once you click on it, it should take you to a page looking like this. Hit I agree, and then depending on what your booth is, so if you're doing Mac, you're gonna want to do with that. If you're working with like a standard PC, see if your PC is at Windows 11 or is it Windows 10. If it's Windows 11, it'll look something like this, where the little this is right here. If it's Windows 10, it's like usually over here. So that's your key indicator if you're using Windows. Once you're done, once you decide, like for instance this one, I'm gonna click on that, scroll down, agree to their terms. So click on that and then hit download. Once you click on download, it should show you up here, and then it'll also pop up for you, but if it doesn't, just click on it and it'll open it. The next thing that you're going to want to do is click on this and hit extract all. This will pop up. Select extract. We'll wait for it to complete, and now it's a usable file. Now we're going to double click on it. It looks the same, but it's not. And now we're just going to click, I think it's on this one, yep, on 11, and then driver install. Double click. After you do that, let it do its thing. Click on yes. Next. Let it download the drivers. Install. And now I'm ready to use it. So at this time, that's when you are now going to connect your printer via power as well as USB direct to your photo booth. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If this helped you out, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.